In this video, we're gonna take a look at Creators Alliance versus Patreon. So basically, these are two different types of platforms. This one here will help you earn money by doing different tasks, and on Patreon, you can start selling subscriptions. So basically, if you have a following, you can monetize that by creating uh, basically different plans for your fans, and you can set up your own pricing, and it's completely free. As you can see, they just take a small fee, but overall Patreon is better for having a following and wanting to monetize it, and on Creators Alliance you can earn money by completing tasks. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.